interior. So for the person with the best interior, you go and push your car up front. See it? For those who just take part in that one, you can remove your vehicle from a please and thanks. Or if you think you have the best interior, you can let the vehicle stay. But we're searching for best interior right now. Best interior. Yeah. Looking for, okay? Best paint job. So we have 4 vehicles up front right here, so anything else up, just push up to 2, but bim round this up. Yeah, me see them too. If you have the baddest paint job, let the judge them see what I want. Yeah, see that? 2 but bim park up all this up. Anything sweet, no? And I've been in the past life, but I say it is and if you know see many people there outside LED innovations and me a stand in the that girl say she want Netflix and chill, so I chatty get even money. If you fall in love, belly satin, you go for breakfast and not happy. Can you see people all that time and time? I'm not faking this, no focus. Load up in the left toe. I'm not catching. Watch bad care, watch bad painting. Happiness. If I broke, now I give me. all we do now.
Bless me, baptize me.
I do see. Baby bend over, bless me. Baby, why you tempting me? She tell me, baby, can you give me? Baby, come on. Baby, how you move so dangerous? Do you know you are dangerous, babe? Baby, when you move, it's stressing. Baby, why you blessing? Baby, why you blessing? Baby, why you blessing? Baby, why you tempting me? Baby, don't worry, keep blessing. Baby, why you blessing? Baby, why you blessing? Baby, why you tempting me? Baby, don't worry, keep blessing.
Bless me, baptize me.
In the meantime, we're big up the sponsors right through same way. Don't remember be shipped to couriers, okay? Check them out, you know it work. Yeah, everything I work around there, so Efficient Auto, 876 Streets, Red Bull, Pure Nation Ice, Bigger, Coca-Cola, water, what, you know, what, TMN Chemicals, TM Chemicals, Loud, and a Buzzy Cloud. So loud up some more. Sponsors them know if you know. Go now! Baby bend low, bless me. Baby, why you tempting me? She tell me, baby, can you give me? Baby, come on. Baby, how you move so dangerous? You know you are dangerous, baby. Oh, that easy cool. That's stressing me. Baby, why you blessing? Baby, why you blessing? Baby, why you blessing? Baby, why you tempting? Baby, why you blessing? Baby, why you blessing? Baby, why you blessing?
Bless me, baptize me.
The driver of the EK license plate 2866 JZ. Step forward from the place. Yeah. Third place. Now on the third place. No, sometimes you never know, my boss. Sometimes you can hold a third place for the little first winnings, and you know what I mean? Second approach, you just slap them with first place and say, creep me that creep up pound, you know, you think, Maram? Yeah.
So, third place, if you don't want forward still, yeah, we can give it to somebody else. Got enough people there, you know what I mean, who take part in the event and I look forward to reach up and some winning. So, somebody else, 3214, license plate 3214. Please make your way to the front of the stage to redeem your prize right now. Third place winner for best paint job. Yeah? Yeah? Alright. We now waste no time either doing us, so we're keeping it flowing as there's so much prizes, so much giveaways. Some girls in there want to party too. No, yeah. I brought this down there. Understand? Good. We have balance elaboration in a bun. For part-time now. Everything up and down the song where the vehicles are concerned. There's some girls there. To the one some of the memorable moments here. And if you're look at Tyler Sprint a while ago. Yeah, Tyler Sprint was a nice little sweet intro.